Hello students, I am Sonal Bhangale, working in Mechatronics Department, Sanjeevani KBP Polytechnic, Kopargaon. In the modern world of electronics, the term digital is generally associated with a computer. This is because the term digital is derived from the way computer performs operation by counting digits. So today we'll discuss number system. In digital circuits, the number system is used for representing the information. A numeral system is writing system for expressing numbers, that is a mathematical notation for representing numbers of a given set using digits or other symbols in a consistent manner. For example, the value of 786 is, how we can calculate the value of 786? 7 into 10 raised to 2 plus 8 into 10 raised to 1 plus 6 into 10 raised to 0, which is equals to 700 plus 80 plus 6. That is how we have calculated this, the weights of digit position of the decimal numbers. If we take a look on this table, you will see that one star point is marked here. That star point is called as decimal point. Why it is called as decimal point? Because here the power 10 tens powers are indicated here. So before the decimal point we have marked the positions 10 raised to 0, 10 raised to 1, 10 raised to 2, 10 raised to 3, 10 raised to 4, etc. After the decimal point, we have marked the position 10 raised to minus 1, 10 raised to minus 2, 10 raised to minus 3, 10 raised to minus 4, 10 raised to minus 5, etc. The positional number system have a radix or base. In previous table, we have seen a star, that is called as radix point or decimal point. The base or radix of a number system is defined as the number of distinct symbols which is used to represent the number system. For example, 10 is the base of decimal number system because this system uses 10 digits. Which are these 10 digits? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. If we count these total digits are nothing but 10. Now we'll see different types of number system. The main number systems are, first one is binary number system, second is octal number system, third one is decimal number system, and fourth one is hexadecimal number system. This is a chart which gives a brief introduction of number system. So in the first column, the name of the number system is indicated. In the second column, the base is indicated or radix is indicated, and in the third column, symbols are there. So in the first case, suppose we will consider binary number system. In the binary number system, bi means 2. In the binary number system, the base is 2. So two symbols we will use. Which are these two symbols? These two symbols are nothing but 0 and 1. Second is octal. In the octal number system, the base or radix is 8. So total we will use 8 symbols. Which are these 8 symbols or 8 numbers? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 0 to 7, if we'll count this number, these are total 8 symbols. Third one is decimal number system. In this decimal number system, the base or radix is 10. So we can use the notations or symbols or numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means if we'll count this, these are total 10 symbols, 0 to 9. And the last one is hexadecimal number system. In this hexadecimal number system, the base or radix is 16. So we will consider or will use total 16 symbol. Which are these total 16 symbols? 0 to 9 and A to F. If we'll count these 0 to 9, these are the 10 symbols, and after that we will use A, B, C, D, E, F. That means these are 5. So total how many symbols are there? 16. So first we will discuss binary number system. As we have already discussed, bi means 2. So in this number system, the base or radix is 2. A binary number system uses only 2 digits, namely 1 and 0. The combination of 1 and 0 forms binary numbers. As 2 digits are used to represent numbers, it is called as binary or base number system. The binary number system uses positional notation. Now we will see how this binary number system uses positional notation method. In this case, each digit is multiplied by the appropriate power of 2 based on its position. That is, the weights of digit position of the binary numbers are, consider again the same table here with the red star, binary point or we can say radix point is marked. Before the radix point, we have marked the position 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4. After the star, we have marked the position 2 raised to minus 1, 2 raised to minus 2, 2 raised to minus 3, 2 raised to minus 4 and 2 raised to minus 5. See here, we have used 2 raised to 0 or 2 raised to minus 1. Why we have used 2 instead of 10? In earlier case, we have used 10 raised to 0, 10 raised to minus 1 because now this is a binary number system. In binary number system, the base or radix is 2. That's why we have used here 2 raised to 0 or 2 raised to minus 1. For example, suppose we will consider the binary number 101101 to the base 2. Position value of each digit in binary number system is calculated as, how we calculate these? Now see student, these are the integer part. So we will calculate the position of each digit. How we'll calculate? If we'll start from the right side, the position of the 1 is 2 raised to 0. For 0 it is 2 raised to 1. For 1 it is 2 raised to 2. For 1 it is 2 raised to 3. For 0 it is 2 raised to 4. And for 1 it is 2 raised to 5. If we'll add these, how we can calculate? 1 into 2 raised to 5 plus 0 into 2 raised to 4 plus 1 into 2 raised to 3 plus 1 into 2 raised to 2 plus 0 into 2 raised to 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to 0. If we will calculate the value, we will get the positional weight system's value. So this is the method to calculate the positional weight value of the binary system. Now we'll see the conversion, how we can convert binary number system into decimal conversion. As we have already seen that in binary the base or radix is 2. So we'll use only 2 symbols. So the given numerical or the given problem having only 2 symbols. Which are these 2 symbols? Only 0 and 1. We have to convert these 2 symbols into decimal number system. The base or radix of the decimal number system is 10. So we can use 0 to 9 digit. That means 10 symbols we will use 0 to 9. To convert the binary number to equivalent decimal number, we have to multiply each binary digit with a power of 2. That is the place value of binary digit. And then add them to get equivalent decimal number. Now the bits are multiplied with their weights and the sum of those products is the respective decimal number. Now let us follow the following steps mathematically. The rules we have seen, we will see these rules mathematically. Suppose again we have considered the example 11010. So from the right side, if we consider the 2's power is 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4 for the each given bit respectively. So now we have to calculate the decimal equivalent decimal value. So for this we have to multiply it with 2's power and after that we have to add it. So finally we will get 1 into 2 raised to 4 plus 1 into 2 raised to 3 plus 0 into 2 raised to 2 plus 1 into 2 raised to 1 plus 0 into 2 raised to 0. So if we'll calculate this, we will get 16 plus 8 plus 2, that means 26 to the base 10. So the equivalent number of given binary number, which is the given binary number? 11010. This is the given binary number and the equivalent decimal number is 26 to the base 10. Hence 26 to the base 10 is the required decimal number. This is how binary to decimal conversion is performed. So this is the method to convert the given binary number into its equivalent decimal number. Again, to understand the concept properly, we will discuss again another example. Here the given binary number is 1110 to the base 2. We have to convert this given binary number into decimal number, equivalent decimal number. So consider this number 1110. So if we'll start from right side, multiply 0 with 2 raised to 0, multiply 1 with 2 raised to 1, multiply 1 with 2 raised to 2, and multiply 1 with 2 raised to 3. If we will add this, 1 into 2 raised to 3 plus 1 into 2 raised to 2 plus 1 into 2 raised to 1 plus 0 into 2 raised to 0, if we will calculate the value, we will get the equivalent decimal number is 15. What is the given binary number? The given binary number is 1110. And what is the equivalent decimal number of this 1110 binary number is 15 to the base 10. Now we will discuss again more examples to convert the given binary number into decimal number. Suppose the given binary number is 101101. Again we will start from the left side now. So considering the positional weight number system, multiply each digit by its position to the 2's power. So 1 into 2 raised to 5 plus 0 into 2 raised to 4 plus 1 into 2 raised to 3 plus 1 into 2 raised to 2 plus 0 into 2 raised to 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to 0. If we calculate this value, we will get 32 plus 8 plus 4 plus 1 is nothing but 45. So given binary number is 101101 to the base 2 and the equivalent decimal number is 45 to the base 10. Again, the second example we will consider. The given binary number is 1011 to the base 2. We have to calculate the equivalent decimal number of this given binary number. So again, multiply each digit with the positional weight number system by considering 2's power. So we will start from the right side. If we will start from the right side, we have to start 2 raised to 0 because it is an integer part. So multiply 2 raised to 0 to 1, 2 raised to 1 by 1, 2 raised to 2 by 0, 2 raised to 3 by 1. So if we will calculate this value, we will get 8 plus 0 plus 2 plus 1. Because 2 raised to 0 is 1. So 1 into 1 is 1. 2 raised to 1 is 2. 2 into 1 is 2. After that, 2 raised to 2. 2 raised to 2 is how much? 4. But 4 into 0 is 0. 2 raised to 3 is 8. So 8 into 1 is 8. So we will get the value 11. So the equivalent decimal number is 11. Again, we will discuss one more example. Now this example is quite different with the previous one because now here it is a fraction part is given. So the given binary number is 0.101 to the base 2. We have to convert this fraction number into equivalent decimal number. So if we'll again see that charge positional weight number system. So after the binary point, we have to multiply with 2 raised to minus 1, 2 raised to minus 2, 2 raised to minus 3, etc. So now the given number is 0.101. So we will start after the fraction number. So we have to multiply 1 by 2 raised to minus 1, 0 by 2 raised to minus 2, 1 by 2 raised to minus 3. If we will calculate the value, we will get 1 by 2 plus 0 into 1 by 4 plus 1 into 1 by 16. So we will get, if we will calculate the value, we will get the equivalent decimal number is 0.625 to the base 10. Thank you.